What's good, YouTube? STINO RW. Another video. I hope y'all can really hear me for real, but yeah, y'all don't really know, but my car has been having breaking up issues for like the past year, on and off, and now it's really just on. Can't really floor the car, can't really step on it. I can downshift and all that shit, but I can't pass like 5,500 RPMs or like really anywhere after that. It just holds and it bogs down back after. My throttle just straight cuts off on the highway. I gotta pull over, turn it back off, turn it on, just so it can start back up. I'm in the shop right now. I got these cats. Let me show you. I got these OEM stock cats. Just like that. So hopefully this fixes up the problem. Got the car pulled up right now. The cats is right here. And this bolt right there. That little bolt right there connected. So yeah, I'm gonna drop it off. Hopefully this is the issue. Yeah, be back on the road. Y'all see how beastie she looking. You feel me? Let me know if I should do aftermarket Y pipe or aftermarket red. No mufflers with the quads. Real dirty, y'all. So it's snowing outside and whatnot. Real nasty outside. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and have that y'all. Let y'all back up later after I'm done for real.
I don't ride with niggas. I'm really one of a kind. Dirty found a diamond in it.
Cool little wash intro for y'all. This is indeed the 50i, not the low one. V8 twin turbo pushing 445 horsepower. Think like 480 torque or something like that. I'll show you before and after while we going through it. Ready to close that trunk. Yes, sir, y'all. Y'all see how we coming. Woo! You look too good. Yes, sir. No. What's good, YouTube? STINO RWD back at y'all with another video. You saw I see me in the X5 once again. So going piggybacking based off that video for real. I thought I was gonna have my car done the next day. A whole bunch of issues came about, more problems, not with the car, but more so the mechanic and him being able to install it or whatnot. But we eventually got it installed, but I had to go back to college for real. So that's why y'all been seeing the X5 lately for real. I got an X5 V8 twin turbo up here for real. But yeah, so now the car is done and I go back home pretty soon. Pretty soon. So yeah, y'all gonna see my G real soon. Got the cats installed or whatever, cats replaced or whatever. What else? I got a lot of mods. I've been saying this to y'all for a long time. I have so many mods to get put on, like at least like 3 to 4 things that I have already at home, getting in the boxes, getting just, you feel me, just collecting dust. As soon as I get home, y'all know my boy Chino. If y'all some real supporters from this past summer, y'all know my boy Chino. He gonna do everything for real for me. So yeah, I'm very excited for that. But today's video, I'm just gonna give y'all just a little POV for real. Driving around, feel good. It's about like 60 degrees out for real. Early March, about to be spring. Feel good. Hope y'all having a good day. Hope y'all like, comment. No. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share to a friend, do all that good stuff. And oh yeah, I also want to say, don't say nothing. I don't want to hear y'all say nothing about the cats that I brought. Those are $200 eBay cats. I honestly wanted to know if that was a problem for real. Like, that was the quote I was getting, but I want to know if that was a problem. If y'all don't know, Infinity cats are so expensive. I called a dealer. They told me $3,500. I seen a couple on eBay for like $1,200 or so like that. So they really expensive. So I just got, you feel me, went ahead, bought the ones for $200 just to see if it was a problem. And on top of that, I already knew that I was getting test pipes anyway. So yeah, test pipes gonna be coming soon for sure. And just a whole bunch of shit, bro. A whole bunch of shit coming at y'all for real. I've been a little inconsistent, so I'm trying to tell y'all what the reason is. You know what I mean? And yeah, but we good though. Y'all see we in that Beamer. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This truck is insane. Like my car is not even fast compared to this truck, bro. Like, it's just insane. Shit's V8 twin turbo, 445 horsepower. Think like 480 torque. Like y'all see it, bro. Like it's but yeah, y'all. So I've been enjoying this X5 for the past few weeks, months for real. I see the panoramic sunroof tilted up. I love how they both tilt up. See that first one tilt up, and the one in the back tilt up. So on the outside, from the back view, looks crazy for real. But yeah, I'm gonna do a hand POV for y'all today. I ain't even gonna put it on top of my head, y'all. I'm just gonna get a hand POV. But yeah, I'm excited to see what my G is doing at the crib. My G been sitting. I know she missed me, y'all. I know she missed me, and I miss her. I miss her a lot. You know what I mean? And that was uphill, guys. Whew. Let me put the window up, start my head in. I know BMW not too loud when it comes to how they come from the factory for real. Just enjoying the day, y'all. Y'all comment down below how y'all day going, man. Comment down what y'all did today. Let me know. I read all the comments, by the way. All the comments. I even try to respond to each and every one of them, for real. Unless y'all say something like, alright, bro, like, you feel me? But yeah. Y'all know someone said to me like 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. I'm not, actually that's kind of drastic, so I ain't even gonna say it for real. Yeah, man. But someone said some wild shit on my shorts. If y'all wanna go see it, go look at it. But Jay, we in the mountains, as y'all can see. We in the super mountains. When I get my G2, I want y'all to let me know what videos, real live. Comment what videos y'all want me to do with my G. I'll do whatever for real. Whatever y'all want to see, I'll do it. And if I do it, I'ma tag you I'm gonna put your comment in the video. How about that, y'all? Y'all let me know what y'all want to see. I'm gonna put your comment in the video as soon as the video start out. Give y'all a little, you feel me? A little shout out. Look at the views. Look at the views, man. The road to that truck up there. Woo. That's pretty smooth. These bitches get down, y'all. I might go Beamer next. I'm not gonna lie, I might gotta go Beamer next, cause this is crazy. I don't really like the well, I like the wait, hold on, there we go. I like the M40Is and all that, but I already got a V6 for real, and I don't want a V6, you feel me? I want some big boy V8 shit, you know what I mean? So I'm thinking the same engine this car got right here, 550. I keep saying it too, 550. And then I want to go Hellcat. Not gonna lie, I keep saying that too. I'm gonna get it. Y'all see this video right here? I'm gonna get it, bro. I'm gonna get a Hellcat. Simple. No matter how long it takes. That's one thing. See, I don't even be like coming on here and really chatting to y'all about like something like inspirational, bro. So let me go ahead and do that today for real. But that's one thing y'all should focus on, bro. Focus on yourself. It don't matter how long it takes for you to get to a certain point, for real. You feel me? If you have social media and you be on social media a lot, I hope you have a strong mind. I hope you don't see what everybody else doing and think, damn, I'm 20, I'm 18, 19, 21, 22, 23. Why the fuck ain't I here yet? Fuck all that, you feel me? Focus on your own lane, your own path, you feel me? Nobody is racing you but yourself, bro. Nobody racing you. It's a race with yourself. And how can you lose if you're racing yourself? You can't. You know what I mean? Just a little quick inspiration, little, you feel me, segment. As soon as them turbos kick in, it just shoots you right back in your seat. That 0 to 60, crazy. The fuck did he just drop out his car? Tripping skis. I don't know if y'all can hear the little. I love when this car fart. It be farting out the shit. It be like grrr, grrr, grrr. Wait, hold on. It's like grrr, grrr. Should be farting out the shifts, especially in sports mode. Gee. Shit crazy, body. I'm really trying to overtake this car, but I can't see if I got space. And he an Eagles fan. If you guys are not follow my YouTube channel, y'all might want to go follow that right now. I'll see, I'm about to post this little picture real quick. I said my YouTube, my Instagram. I might want to go do that right now. Look at the views. Got up real quick. But yeah, make sure y'all go follow that right here. Hope y'all can see that. Hope I'm putting that in the camera. I think I am. Go follow that page real quick. Go ahead and switch some gears for y'all. Even though I said I wasn't gonna put this on top of my head, but sometimes can't help it. fast. Jeez Louise. Shit farting back there. Alright, y'all, I'm out. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell down below, share to a friend, you feel me? And all that good thing. Share to a friend, and share to a friend, and share to your mother, and share to your uncle, and share to your father, and share to your grandmother. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm out. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.